Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware. Welcome to this week's Genos Tyros CVP Song of the Week and Buttons class. Now we're doing a good summer classic here, Love Potion number 9, and I'm going to do a playing version and a singing version, and we're going to use the vocal harmonizer to really sound cool. It did it for fun. We're also going to learn some great things in this video. I got some unique settings for this. So let's take a look at the music real quick and get going on Love Potion number 9. Okay, so remember too that everyone that has my book bundle that got this song, you're getting the Midi file, which all the extra notes I play are right on the screen on the Genos. And this week, a little special, I did the audio file with me singing on there. So I'm going to email that to you too, so you can practice your singing. Okay, we're using the 60s guitar rock Tempo 110. Now, you want to go into your mixer, and I'm going to show you this on the setup, in style 1, and turn your rhythm 2 volume up. We're going to raise the drums up on this because of variation A. And you'll see what I'm talking about when we get in there. Now, I've raised it a little higher on mine, but it's a matter of taste. So, vocal harmony, you're going to do Mary to Bob, and you're going to have a little romantic reverb on. And you can see the lead is 16 and the harmony is 12. Now, if you don't have my book bundle on this song, but you happen to have it, make sure I made a major chord change on page 2. Instead of the E minor there, E minor 7, do an E7. It sounds much better than the E minor. Okay, so here we go into the settings. Now, I'm only using variation A, C, and D. So on A, of course, the OTS setting for Love Potion number 9 is the 60s Vintage Blues, and that's at volume 93, and the 60s Funk Pick, which is at volume 70. Makes it sound really nice. On OTS 3, I've got the 60s Vintage Blues at 87, and we're going to use the White Bars JS in our organs, and that's going to be at 65. In OTS 4, I've got a tenor sax at 100. I've got a sax hard section there, sax section hard at 100, and I've got the baritone sax at 60. Now, in the mixer, this is where you change, go to style 1, and this is where you change the drums here. And when I strike a chord here real quick, you're going to hear why. If I go to variation C, which I'm going to be on, we have so you can hear when I went to variation A there, those drums are up pretty good. Now, if we hit direct access here, and our vocal harmony, and this is for you guys who don't have my stick, you can see that the vocal harmony is on Mary and Bob, which is on page 5, okay? If you have the Genos set up with my stick, you simply just have to hit the assignable D button and this string will come up. Make sure your effect is on with the romantic reverb if you're going to sing it. And I'm going to do different variations when I sing it compared to what I'm doing playing it. So you'll hear that as we go on. You guys asked me to sing another one, so I'm going to do it. You know, I'm not a great singer, but we'll have a little fun with it. And you'll hear that Mary and Bob, what that does. Now, keep in mind that I have, if I hit direct access and my little pedal there, I've got it set for vocal harmony on and off. And keep in mind, you can set your second pedal different for each registration. So I only have it set for this song. I have my small pedal on vocal harmony off and on instead of the harmony arpeggio button there. Okay, so we're about ready to go. This is in Bank 11, registration number 8 there. And it puts on the correct variation in the intro and all that, and we're ready to go. So let's take a listen to Love Potion number 9. So a little Love Potion number 9 there. Now, one of the cool things on there is when I went to A, you want to take a listen to something here. I'm going to be on C real quick, okay? And we're just going to listen to the different rhythm breaks. And this is a learning session here. For every style, there are actually 5 rhythm breaks, even though you only have one rhythm break button. Each one of these variations has a different rhythm break on it. And of course, if your auto fill-in's there, it does it automatically. So if we listen to variation C, for instance, sounds much different than this. So you can hear all the different variations. So when you're playing, if you want a rhythm break, make sure you check out the other rhythm breaks in your variations and decide whether you want to use this one or one of these. And if, as long as it's playing, you hear, you just get that rhythm break there. Okay, so you're going to have to hold your ears now because I'm going to do the singing verse. So it's just a great song to sing with. And you're going to hear that Mary and Bob when I get to the part, I took a drink. And I do have that on my pedal. So if I bring in my mic here and turn my mic on and hit my pedal, I took a drink. I took a drink. You can hear that Mary to Bob. my troubles down to Madame Ruth. You know the gypsy with the gold cap tooth. She's got a little pad down on 34th and Vine, selling little bottles of love potion number 9. I told her that I was a flop with chicks. I've been that way since 1956. She looked at my palm and she made a magic sign. She said, what you need is love potion number 9. She bent down and turned around and gave me a wink. Said, I'm gonna fix it up right here in the sink. It smelled like turpentine and Indian ink. I held my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. Didn't know if it was day or night. I started kissing everything inside. But when I kissed a cop down on 34th and Vine, he broke my little bottle of love potion number 9. Down and turned around and gave me a wink. Said, I'm gonna fix it up right here in the sink. It smelled like turpentine and looked like Indian ink. I held my nose, I closed my eyes, I took a drink. Didn't know if it was day or night. I started kissing everything inside. But when I kissed the cop down on 34th and Vine, he broke my little bottle of love potion number 9. Love potion number 9. Love potion number 9. Love potion number 9. And there is. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that and the dogs weren't, wooing and all that stuff in the house. But anyway, back to the song. OTS3 with that white bar organ there, you'll notice that if you strike a little harder, you'll hardly hear the organ at all until you hold the note down. Then that organ comes in. It's a great balance and mix. And of course, raising the drums up because of variation A for that break there is really fantastic. And you can also hear how that made a big difference just raising the drums up on that song. So there we go with Love Potion number 9, this week's song. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a little bit of fun with it. And I'll be sending you out the style so you can load right into your Genos, and of course the Midi file and everything that goes with that. Have a great day. Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com. See you soon, and see you next week.